Imagine holding a device that makes every previous iPhone look like a toy. The tech world is buzzing because the iPhone 18 Pro Max is not just an update, it is a total revolution. While everyone is talking about the iPhone 17, the real experts are looking even further ahead. We have gathered the most exclusive leaks from top industry insiders like Gurman and Ming-Chi. These leaks reveal a device that could change your digital life forever. If you want to know why you might want to skip next year's model and wait for the real powerhouse, you are in the right place. This isn't just a phone, it's a glimpse into the future of mobile technology. The display is the first thing that will grab your attention. Apple is moving to a next-generation OLED screen that is brighter and smarter than anything we have seen. This means colors will look more realistic and the screen will be much easier to see in direct sunlight. There is even talk about a smaller dynamic island or hidden sensors under the screen. This would give you more space for movies and games. Beyond just looking good, this new screen is designed to be incredibly efficient. It helps your battery last longer while giving you a sharper and more vibrant experience every single day. Imagine watching your favorite show with colors so deep they look like real life. That is the promise of the 2026 flagship. Speaking of battery, Apple is finally fixing one of the biggest complaints users have. Thanks to a new internal layout, they are fitting a larger battery inside without making the phone bulky or heavy. You can spend your whole day gaming, recording 4K videos, or working on the go without worrying about your percentage. This is the kind of reliable power that makes a device feel truly premium. It is not just about the numbers on a spec sheet, it is about knowing your phone will be awake as long as you are. No more carrying chargers or looking for outlets in the middle of a busy day. This phone is built for the heavy user who demands constant performance. Under the hood, the iPhone 18 Pro Max will be a beast thanks to the A20 Pro Chip. This chip is being built on an advanced process that makes it lightning fast and very cool. You won't have to deal with the phone overheating during intense tasks anymore. This extra power is perfect for the next generation of Apple intelligence. Siri will be smarter, photo editing will happen in an instant, and every swipe will feel smooth as silk. Compared to what we expect from the iPhone 17, the 18 Pro Max is going to feel like it's from a different decade. It is designed to handle the most demanding apps of the future without breaking a sweat. For the photographers and creators, the camera system is getting a massive professional upgrade. Apple is enhancing the telephoto lens so you can zoom in further with perfect clarity. They are also focusing on low light performance and advanced stabilization. This means your night photos will look professional and your videos will stay steady even if you are moving. For many people, this phone will finally be the reason to leave their heavy DSLR cameras at home. It puts a professional movie studio right in your pocket. Whether you are a YouTuber or just love taking family photos, the quality will be unmatched. The design is also taking a step back to what worked best. After some feedback about aluminum frames, Apple is returning to a high-end titanium construction. Titanium is the perfect material because it is lighter than steel but much more durable. It handles heat better and resists scratches from keys or coins in your pocket. This return to titanium shows that Apple is prioritizing their most loyal high-end users. When you hold this phone, it will feel solid, expensive, and built to last. It is a statement piece that balances beauty with extreme toughness. Apple is also changing their launch strategy for 2026. They plan to lead with their most premium devices like the Pro Max, the iPhone Fold, and the iPhone Air 2. They want to make sure the early adopters get the very best technology first. You can expect the big reveal in September 2026, with pre-orders starting immediately. If you have been waiting for a reason to upgrade, this is the milestone year you have been looking for. It is the perfect blend of luxury and raw power. The competition will have a hard time catching up to this lineup. In my opinion, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is the first time in years that we are seeing a true leap in technology. Most years we get small, incremental changes. But with the A20 Pro Chip, the return to titanium, and the massive battery improvements, this is a must-buy device. It solves the real problems users face while adding futuristic features that make it fun to use. If you value performance and want a phone that stays relevant for years, waiting for the 18 Pro Max is the smartest move you can make. It's rare to see Apple listen this closely to what the fans want, but 2026 looks like the year they deliver everything. The hype is real, and the leaks are consistent. We are seeing a shift where Apple isn't just making a phone, they are making a computer that fits in your hand. The integration of the A20 Pro Chip with the new OLED tech means that everything you do will feel instantaneous. Whether you are a professional video editor or someone who just wants the best social media experience, this device is designed to exceed expectations. The shift back to titanium also proves that Apple knows how important the feel of a phone is. It's not just about what's inside, but how it feels when you pick it up every morning. Waiting for the iPhone 18 Pro Max might seem hard, but the rewards are massive. Think about the frustrations you have with your current phone. Maybe it dies too fast, or maybe it gets too hot when you use it. All of those issues are being targeted by Apple's engineers for this 2026 release. By skipping the minor updates of the 17, you position yourself to have the most advanced piece of consumer tech on the planet. This is going to be the gold standard for smartphones for a long time. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all the latest tech news. We will keep you posted as more leaks come out from the supply chain. You don't want to miss a single update on this revolutionary device. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next big tech breakdown.